Here's how I made this neon ghost text effect here in Photoshop. This is my artboard size, and for the font I'm gonna go with Akira Expanded Super Bold. Also make sure to add some distance in between the letters. I'm gonna go with 75. Right click on the text, convert to Smart Object. Let's go and double click on the text layer, decrease the fill opacity to 0, and activate the stroke. I'm gonna go with this color, click OK. The stroke position is gonna be outside, size 11, click OK. Right click on the text, convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. I'm gonna rename the top one text and the bottom one motion blur. Select the layer with the motion blur and let's go to the filter, blur, and select motion blur. Make sure the angle is on 90 and the distance is on 810. Click OK. Now I'm gonna select the top text and I'm gonna bring it at the blurry text top area. Now I'm gonna select the layer with the motion blur, collapse it, and I wanna intensify this blurriness. So I'm gonna press Ctrl J to create a duplicate, and I'm gonna do this a couple of times until it's gonna get stronger and stronger. I think this is pretty good. And from here, let's select all the motion blur layers, press and hold Shift, select all of it, right click, convert to Smart Object. I'm gonna go with the motion blur layer, and let's go to Filter, Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. And I'm gonna add a little bit of Gaussian blur. So it's going to differentiate itself, the motion blur from the text. I'm gonna go with 5, click OK. I'm also gonna select this Gaussian blur, press and hold Alt and drag it into the text layer. So it's gonna copy paste the Gaussian blur on the text layer. And I'm gonna open it up, double click on the Gaussian blur here, and I'm gonna decrease this actually. 3.5, click OK. And now I'm gonna go to the adjustments, scroll down, select the gradient map, click on the gradient. And I'm gonna pull this black somewhere here, and I'm gonna add another handle. This is gonna be purple, something in this nature. Click OK, add another one. I'm gonna make this blue, click OK, add another one. This is gonna be green, click OK, and the last one, I'm gonna make this yellow. Let's click OK, and we're gonna need to spread these neon colors because they kind of look compressed in there. So I'm gonna go to the motion blur layer, double click on it, and let's go ahead and activate the outer glow. Here I'm gonna go with the linear dodge. Opacity is 60, white color, the spread is on 0, size is on 250, and click OK. Now I'm gonna go also to the text layer, double click on it, and let's activate the outer glow here as well. And here I'm gonna go to the size and I'm gonna decrease it. I'm gonna decrease it on low. I'm gonna go with 29. Click OK. And this is how I made this neon ghost text effect here in Photoshop. Thanks for watching.